Well, you're looking at the aftermath of yesterday. We managed to take three tops off and complete takedown of this one over here. And in these three here, there's nothing left up there. And the one closest to me here has got to come down right now because this big guy, there's enough wood and brush in that to amount to about 2 of these trees behind me that we took down yesterday. So that's coming down first thing today. And it's lunchtime, but we're starting at lunchtime. We had another job we had to do this morning. This one's in the way. And I think I'm going to set the camera up on a tree over there. What we're doing is we're chipping everything over here. The customer's asked us to chip it all in the... she's got a bit of a forest back here. So we're doing that. And we have to move all the wood. So I'm using this little black trailer. I built this trailer about 5 years ago. Don't do what I did. Don't build one like this. Just go buy one. It took me like 3 days. Long story. If I'd have known it was going to take 3 days, I would have bought one. And we're using the little Kubota tractor here. This is getting dual purpose. We're using it to... I put the rope on it to pull those trees over. Some of them are leaning the wrong way, so they had to come down, going the other way. And then we towed a little trailer. And over there is the dump trailer. And we're loading the wood. We can't come in here with a dump trailer. The ground's too soft. So we're bringing it in the little trailer, putting it in the big trailer, and so on. So right now I'm going to cut this baby down, this little fella. That's what's next.
Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it, no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Put a rock star on the side, I'm live it up, on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Do it, no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad. Baby, I'm bad. Only got one, so you better
Old Chippy did a good job today. We managed to chip that whole big tree right up. And it took probably about an hour start to finish. Took a few breaks if we subtracted our break time. Chipped it all, cut it all up. We got most of it moved out into the trailer. And we still have this guy here. Not a very big tree. And a couple more in the forest. This one covered in vines and one back there. One branch broke off over here somewhere we gotta do. So, all in all, a good day. It's a small chipper, but it's great at doing this stuff. Look at the chips. We got quite a thick pile of chips here. Yeah. And we're gonna have quite a bit of raking to do at the end of this, but the last small tree it's going to come land on here too. So we try to make them all land in the same spot roughly, so we just have one area, concentrated area to rake. This stuff is brutal. If you're pricing a live tree versus a dead tree, same tree, you got to price 15%, 20% more time cleaning up. We'll finish that up. Probably not tomorrow. We're not going to be here tomorrow. We got another job. But Thursday, in 2 days, we'll be back. 2 more trees and the cleanup. I'm not going to video any more of this, but I thought I'd show you a little bit about what I do. I don't normally video my tree removal stuff, but this one here, there really wasn't any danger of hitting a house or a fence or a shed or a pool or people or wire, so there was nothing really in the way. So it was kind of nice. Thanks for watching.